Hey guys, welcome to our filter and tap tutorial. Today we're going to be running you through the filter tap. It's clearly identifiable because it has two outputs of water. We've got our mains one, which is at the front. We have our filter one, which is at the bottom. Now, how does it get its filtered water? Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Woohoo! We have our S&J water filter. These guys here are the plumbing company who handle all of the plumbing, gas, water throughout the van, all in-house plumbers. The water filter obviously removes all of the dirt, contaminants. It's got its rating on the front of it. If you've got a van, you can clearly have a look rather than us film the whole thing. It's got a number on the front of it so you can be able to order replacements. I believe these are a replacement unit around the 12-month mark. However, do a bit of Googling and find information in relation to keeping your filter alive. Obviously, these bacteria in these filters, we want to make sure that no bad bacteria is hanging around. I was told some time ago, don't be 100% about this and definitely fact check it, that when not in use, to keep the maximum life out of it is to put it in the fridge. I actually got told it was the freezer, but I don't believe that's a good idea. So have a look around, see what people suggest to keep the most out of your filter. Sometimes within the Crusader models, if specified and particularly asked, with an extra water tank, you can plumb these filters up directly to filter water only. So that means only water coming out of this is from one particular tank. Now, a handy hint for the people that don't have a water filter thinking, oh, should have got a water filter. You can buy online, we're going to link to it. There's no particular alliance to this company whatsoever. It's just the quickest one we found. You can do your own research. You can buy an external water filter. So what that means is when you get your hose on the outside, check out some of our other videos so you can see the mains water hookup. You get your hose, you go into a dual filter. So it's got one filter, flows into the second filter, and then out of the Caravan, either to the mains pressure of the Caravan or it goes into the water tanks. So that means every ounce of water, not just this water, but this water, my showering water, my brushing my teeth water, my toilet water, my washing machine water, all of my water is filtered. There's not just one purpose use filter for a van. Yes, it's great to have if you have the budget and your money, but alternatively, there's other things as well. We hope you're enjoying your van. We hope you're enjoying our handover tutorials. Check out some more as you go through. If you'd like to find out more, head to our website or alternatively like and subscribe for the next video. Thank you guys.